I thought I'd make a video on fixing my vacuum leaks on the new car. My vacuum leak at the headlight doors. I haven't done anything yet, but what happens is when I accelerate, the headlight doors open a little bit. Let's get in there and see if we can figure anything out. What I think my issue is this check valve. So I'm gonna take this out and I'll show you guys how to test it and tell if it's bad. Now that I got it out, we can test it. From what I've read about this, it's pretty easy to test by mouth. All you do is hook up a line to this, plug this side, and leave this one open. If you could suck air through, it's bad. So let's try it out. Now what it says is suck through here, plug this right here with a finger, and leave this end open. So I'm able to suck air through it, so I guess that means it's bad. We will replace it and see if that fixes the issue. I haven't ordered one yet, so it'll be a few days before I give you an update on if that fixed the problem.